Let's define logistics first. Logistics is the process of managing how goods move from one place to another efficiently, cost effectively, and reliably. But inside logistics, we'll split it into two flows: inbound logistics and outbound logistics. Inbound is about getting materials into the business, and outbound is about getting finished products out to the customer. Let's talk about inbound logistics first. Inbound logistics is all about the supply side. It includes sourcing raw materials, transportation from suppliers to factories, warehousing of raw materials, and managing relationships with vendors. Example: imagine a car manufacturer. The steel, tires, glass, and electronics all come from different suppliers. Bringing these items together into the factory is inbound logistics in action. Now let's talk about outbound logistics. Outbound logistics, on the other hand, is all about the demand side. It includes warehousing of finished goods, order fulfillment, distribution network, and transportation to retailers, distributors, or directly to customers. For example, let's use the car manufacturer again. Once the car is assembled, outbound logistics ensures it reaches dealerships worldwide. That's why you can buy the same car model in Tokyo, New York, and London. Let's put inbound and outbound logistics side by side. Inbound logistics is about materials coming in, and outbound logistics is about products going out. Inbound logistics deals with suppliers and vendors. Outbound deals with customers and distributors. The goal of inbound logistics is reliable production supply, and the goal of outbound logistics is timely customer delivery. Both sides directly impact cost efficiency. Late inbound shipments can halt production. Poor outbound can cause missed sales. Outbound delays mean unhappy customers. Competitive advantage: companies like Amazon succeed because they have mastered outbound logistics. Sustainability: optimizing both inbound and outbound reduces waste, fuel, and costs. An example of excellent inbound logistics would be Starbucks sourcing coffee beans from farms worldwide, managing imports, roasting schedules, and supplier quality, all inbound. Outbound example would be Apple ensuring millions of iPhones shipping globally on launch day. Distribution centers, retailers, and direct shipping, all outbound. When both flows are synchronized, the supply chain becomes smooth and resilient. To sum it all up, inbound logistics brings resources in, outbound logistics sends product out. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning about supply chains. And let me know in the comments, which do you think is harder, inbound or outbound logistics?